While invoicing is undoubtedly a cornerstone of FreshBooks functionality and its initial claim to fame, it has evolved significantly beyond just creating and sending bills. Over the years, FreshBooks has strategically expanded its features to cater specifically to the needs of service-based businesses. This is another crucial aspect of understanding its business type, its target audience, and the breadth of solutions it offers them. Think of freelancers, consultants, designers, web developers, marketing agencies, and other professionals who primarily sell their time and expertise. These businesses often face unique challenges in managing their finances, from tracking billable hours to organizing project expenses and ensuring timely payments. FreshBooks has meticulously crafted its platform to address these specific pain points. Here's a glimpse into the expanded suite of features that solidify FreshBooks' position as more than just an invoicing tool for service-based businesses. Time tracking. For businesses that bill by the hour, accurate time tracking is paramount. FreshBooks offers intuitive tools that allow users to log their work hours seamlessly, often directly linked to specific projects and clients. This ensures accurate billing and eliminates the guesswork often associated with manual timekeeping. Expense management. Keeping track of business expenses is vital for profitability and tax purposes. FreshBooks enables users to easily record and categorize expenses, attach receipts, and even bill these expenses directly to clients when applicable. This streamlines the expense management process and provides a clear overview of business spending. Project management. For service-based businesses, projects are often the core of their work. FreshBooks offers basic project management features that allow users to organize tasks, collaborate with team members, depending on the plan, and track project progress. This integration helps keep projects on schedule and within budget. Client management. Building and maintaining strong client relationships is crucial. FreshBooks provides a centralized hub to manage client information, track communication, and view their billing history. This helps businesses stay organized and provides a better understanding of their client interactions. Online payments. Getting paid promptly is essential for cash flow. FreshBooks integrates with various online payment gateways, allowing clients to pay invoices securely and conveniently online. This reduces payment delays and improves the overall billing experience. Reporting and analytics. Understanding the financial health of a business is key to making informed decisions. FreshBooks offers a range of reports that provide insights into revenue, expenses, outstanding invoices, and more. These reports help businesses track their performance and identify areas for improvement. Accounting features. While not a full-fledged double-entry accounting system like some of its competitors, FreshBooks includes essential accounting features such as chart of accounts, basic bookkeeping, and the ability to generate financial statements like profit and loss reports. This provides a solid foundation for managing business finances, especially for smaller service-based entities. Why service-based is key. The emphasis on service-based is crucial. While FreshBooks can be used by businesses selling physical products, its feature set and user interface are specifically designed to cater to the workflows and needs of those selling services. The strong focus on time tracking, project-based billing, and client communication reflects this core target audience. In conclusion, FreshBooks, a SaaS solution for service-based success. Therefore, to answer the question definitively, FreshBooks is primarily a software as a service, SaaS, company that provides a comprehensive suite of tools specifically tailored for service-based businesses. It has evolved from its roots as an invoicing platform to offer a wider range of features encompassing time tracking, expense management, project organization, client management, online payments, and basic accounting functionalities. Understanding this multifaceted nature of FreshBooks is essential for anyone looking to utilize its capabilities or analyze its position within the broader software market. It's not just about sending invoices. It's about providing a holistic solution that empowers service-based professionals to manage their finances, streamline their operations, and ultimately achieve greater success. Its user-friendly interface and focus on the unique needs of this sector have made it a popular and impactful player in the realm of business software.